We've said that a force acting for a longer time will impart a greater change in momentum. I have two blowguns. Got this long one and this little shorty. I'm going to put a marble in each one of these, and I'm going to try and hit a target that is at the other end of the lab. And I'll turn the camera around so you can see the success or the failure of this endeavor. I am going to try to apply the same breath to each one of these blowguns, just like that. I think what you'll find is that if I apply the same breath to the longer blowgun, it will impart a greater change in momentum, and that will mean a greater velocity. And I think the results will speak for themselves. So let's look at where I'm aiming. This towel over here is just being held up by a frame, and I'm going to go back to where I was. You have to trust me on that. And I'm going to put the marble into the short blowgun. And normally when I have students in here, I tell them to make sure that you follow where the marble goes, because I've only got one of them. So it's going to be a short demonstration. It's not going to be too instructive if I lose the rest of my marbles. All right, here we go. Aiming for the towel. Didn't make it, and the marble came bouncing right back to me. It's a beautiful thing. Now we go into the long blowgun, and here we go. I think you can see that there was certainly no problem in hitting the target with the longer blowgun. The idea being that same amount of force applied over a longer amount of time, that's represented by the length of the barrel, will result in a greater change in momentum. Mass of the marble was the same. The only thing that can change, therefore, is the velocity of the marble.